Okay, so this is CEM from 2012 Volvo XC60. Reading the P-flash. It read the chip data. Now it's verifying. We'll come back for the data flash. All right. Saving the buffer data to file succeeded. Now we're gonna go to, looks like there's a whole bunch of information on here. It looks good. Now we're gonna do the data flash. Gonna do read. Looks good. Okay. We're gonna save into here. Then we're going to read the EEPROM. Read. Should be pretty quick as well. Perfect. Okay. Going to save it into here. Now we are going to disconnect all his wire. Okay, so now we have the donor, CEM, CEM, and we're going to write back the P-flash. Okay. Erase before writing has been enabled. Sure, I want to continue. Okay. It's gonna take a minute. I'm gonna pause. All right, almost done. Okay. Data flash. Right. Continue. Let's write the EEPROM. Okay. And we're done.